Hello my friends, Yusuf Vlogs came back with a new video. Today we are going to play Real Racing 3, but we are going to play with Red Bull car. But after we begin, don't forget to make like and subscribe and share. I will count 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, go now and press subscribe and like and share. Let's begin. This is my captain. Okay, let's play a racing. And this is Alexander that he is driving this car. Let's play a racing. This is the Red Bull car. This is it. Okay, this place. Red Bull car is so awesome and I love it. Let's play. Yeah, this is Red Bull car. Okay. Get away, get away! We will win! Okay, another fourth! Come on, go fast! It's so fast! Yay! So amazing! I love Red Bull cars so much! Woohoo! So fast! I love it! Who driving this car is Alexander. Alexander, he is driving this car. Another Red Bull car behind me. Come on! Yay! Amazing! So amazing Red Bull car. I love it. Yay! We are the third. Okay, that's so good. Yeah, this is Alexander that he is driving this car. Okay, I get 10,450 pounds. Collect. Okay. Let's play another time. Woohoo! Enter. Yeah. I love you, Red Bull car. I love you. Okay. Let's play another time. Go! Come on! I push him. So fast! So fast! Yay! 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 No, 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 no! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, and this is Red Bull car, another car, Red Bull, like me. Woo! I am the fourth. Okay. I love you, Alexander. I get 9,450 pounds. Collect. Let's give okay, let's continue. Let's play the last time. Enter, play the last time. Okay, let's begin. Woo-hoo. Yeah, go, go, go! Go! Get away, get away! Yeah, I push him. Yeah, it's so fast! I love it! Yay! There is another Red Bull car in front of me. Yeah, there is it. Red Bull car. I love you, Red Bull car. He is my friend. Yeah, I am with the hero. That's okay. That's good. Yeah, come on, Red Bull car. Yay! I am the first. Yeah. 2,450 pounds. Collect. Yay. Okay. Okay guys, that is the video today. Don't forget to make like and subscribe and share, and see you in another video. Bye.